YouTube, good morning. My name is Davidan and welcome back to Tugger TV. Right here we have a new movie. If jealousy was a person, but before you start watching movie, what I want you to do, click that like button, make a comment and say big up yourself, Davidan, big up Coloring Book TV, big up Tugger TV and PSS Films. Paper, make sure if you don't like a movie, you don't share it to a friend, you don't tell a friend, if you tell a grandmother, if you tell a auntie, tell everybody. And watch out enough more to enjoy a movie. But one more thing, if you're interested for donate to the channel, to any IT member them, just contact the number down below. But until then, my name is David and I'm wishing all you guys a very good day.
Sometimes I can't believe we have such a good friend like I am. You know, like we be friends.
From also Sunday school type days.
Yes, from I got Sunday school, primary, all them things there, girl. And I think
no far with them.
And I think we can come between it all.
Nothing at all, no man, no nothing.
Not even God himself. Your friendships.
What kind of disrespect that? You tell some foot dry, give me.
And I disrespect me, I'm not trying to skin fame like me myself.
Thanks, babes. But this little it man.
Pop a foot over here, so I'm not trying to foot for your girl. Me and your friend. Come, I'm not trying to foot. Me and your friend, girl. You talk about disrespect. Just make sure you look good for you, go come here when we're done.
Yes. Come to put on foundation tomorrow.
Girl. Yes. What's the other foot? But anyways, you're not no man in your life.
No, baby.
Presently, no.
And they had stress. Stress.
Man at
And
ever stress.
disappointment. No man in my life.
Me not no money in my life. I'm money in a key right now. I want work. Me want.
Yeah, we want nice work.
Right now, me want win that. Say no. Me want.
You kind of hot for true, man.
Me look fan of work. Me want win that. Me want dress. I want table. Everything me want. I fit in a little one room. Yeah.
Of course, they can't hold it now. Can't hold everything.
Me don't ever have a door. Me need a brand new door, mama. You see it? Time hard. We need to look at work.
We still can work. The power need to look at work and try to put one door there, so put on window there, so.
All the dirty food. Kim, don't you know Kim? Remember Kim? I can't chat about
Kim?
Yes.
Is that a black girl?
Dirty black Kim, yes. I can't chat about how me not have nothing. What do you mean girl catch up together because me not have nothing. I have a little piece of bed in my one room.
So she has not done this, so?
I don't know. I don't go in the house no.
She has not done this, so?
And she can't talk about how I know bed this a table coming on a bed.
But she move fast so because she live a inside bathroom. A pit toilet she got.
And she cause I say you need to get a room for yourself. And I said, but don't worry about that, girl. Me and you living here and the two of we are friends. So don't watch. I'm gonna tell her what she said. She say you need to get a room for yourself. But me now watch that. Now watch that because you're my friend and nobody tell me when to put out you. I understand the situation where you go through. The man dash you out and I understand that. You understand?
I said no man in my life, I'm not living no man.
What do you say, Annabelle?
I said I don't want to live with no more man. Because we can't buy no man that come and put me out every minute.
Listen to me. You can't live with no man because I my place this. Where you go put man?
Maybe like
and me and you live here, so where you go put man? I must say every child.
Go in yard.
Oh. But think you say you don't want to live with no man come here and say I could never. You say I plan to come and come to my little one room board out.
Okay, I'm going to do that.
You could never so bright.
You know say things for me.
No.
Why me I want to do that?
No, because some friend that do it.
Not doing
some friend that do it.
That's true, but I'm not doing it.
Some friend that do it and go tell him and say me I put up when me I put up you. So you shock me. Because me not can a man come at my place, you can man come here.
Exactly.
Can a man come here before me. For me bills are one room here. I don't can a man come here. And you now bring none here before me. Me have to bring my there first. Not even when me gone on the road, you must bring not even one aunt me, no want you bring nothing come here.
Girl, the seminar bring no man in your place.
Okay.
No man, me not bring in your place.
Alright, I'll come. Cause right now I'm hungry. I want to come for breakfast. I'm hungry. You're not hungry?
Of course, I'm going to eat the truth. Come on, go to Popeyes.
Mama, we're not going to Popeyes. We are going to the little shop down there, so go buy a cocoa bread. You got
Popeyes more and call burger.
You have Popeyes and burger money? No one make you in a hand, no man. No one in a hand, no man at all, Mona. The man them tired of you and Popeyes.
Come on, man. You just want to see what the most I bag.
Mama, wait. Supposed to go and run walk up on man and man want come out with yard. I saw you going to make him to me go and my fight.
Just tell me say no one can man in the house. And that's tell me, you know.
You can't bring no man coming here, not me. At my place. Be a top of her.
Because your place, me can't bring no man coming in.
Exactly.
So when I find one little boy out there, me can't come and me not know what's the difference.
That's enough to pick up little boy, pick up big man down in yard.
What do you mean pick up a big man? And me not know if he can. Me can't carry.
The only way you carry man they come to the house yeah, is if me not there. I mean ever there. Oh, you come and we go around.
Come and got Popeyes.
Mama, you not going to Popeyes.
What the Popeyes me want?
They got Popeyes money? Do you got Popeyes money?
No, but
you have a man that can buy your Popeyes money? No. You're working to buy Popeyes money? No. Come through the door. Go and look for Popeyes. Go on. But you want Popeyes that can have Popeyes money. You have Popeyes money, girl? Girl, don't do it again.
What?
Don't you dare do it again.
What me do?
What mean what you do? Look for me. From head to toe. And I look for you from head to toe. This man, let me tell you where you go. Let me tell you where you go, Mona.
You tell me say we are go down the road, go buy something for breakfast.
Right. Where we depend now, Mona?
We on the road.
Mona, look by your foot, Mona. Look at you no big and dirty.
Let me feel now.
Let me what?
You're not a good friend because it's me to tell me. I come back.
No, Mona. You're supposed to know that Mona is a big woman. You're coming on the road to get breakfast. Can't sit. Look for me to them. Look at me to look check out. Look for me to them. What? Yeah, man.
I pop them off.
You see me to them? Man can suck them off now. Mona, if you ever take for me, Mona, my back side of the early morning, yeah, Mona. Mona, you come on the road, Mona. You come on the road, not dirty slippers, man, Mona. Catch all your shirt. Look up on your shirt.
Why you do me so? Fuck your friend this. Your name say name.
Whatever kind friend, man. Go on, man.
Go on in front. Can you watch me?
You will walk back at me. Go on in front of me. Go on in front of me. Why you come on the dirty slippers? You keep my cheek over the...
Tell her to wash your slippers. Me don't wash.
Me don't have time to wash your slippers this man. Taga! When you come back, Taga? Me backside.
Yeah.
Why go on a long time in a street? Jesus! You look big now.
Yeah, get tall and...
You're taller than me, but a long time I don't see you.
Well, a long time I don't see you and that me if I tell you.
Must say you they going no, me never going you go to boarding school. So whole life I know.
A day before is them come back again. So me go spend a 1 week like chip out back.
Me been here.
You been here?
Me not the fire so.
So you done school and all?
Me done school, everything. Must look at work and know what work me want to know.
Okay.
They say me I go and get to eat. Me and me look for food over here so.
So I can look for my mother, you know, my auntie and so my mother they are fine, my grandmother and so.
So you know no woman?
No man, I don't penetrate on that for a while now. I just there work for myself about a year now. When I left school, I just there focus on some money, you know.
Me understand, me understand.
The artist a girl that jokes.
So you know no woman at all?
No, I'm single now, man.
You know, pick me, you're gonna get no pick in long because
You get no pick me?
no, let me get pick me.
Come on and say. You're the fall in the same boat your mother running.
No, sir. Me not get not a chick, nor a child, not a chick or a child. It's me too young for that.
Alright, Chichi. Long time I don't see Chichi. Long time I don't come back in that place.
So you go there for a while now?
No, I say I'm there for a week.
Oh, 1 week.
1 week I'm there for. After the 1 week, no.
See, there's nothing in the area what we think you want tan.
So, are you friend?
How long you there for chat? You want to put us on your own?
Are you friend?
Yes.
So,
introduce
me.
Mama, come here. So I meet my friend Mona meet my long time friend Toga.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Toga.
Toga, you long guy?
You're not a good best friend.
I'm Benjamin, what it is?
Okay, so nice though.
No, it's nice.
But if anything,
we link up.
We just go out and have a one drink and catch up a little bit.
Yeah, we're going to go to the petrol.
Yeah, because I'm sitting there for talk about it.
What if I stop there for talk about it back in the time, then you know. son come bring and twine to tie up back, so I hope me to haul back.
When the time you arrive, we sit down and talk.
Oh, yeah, look
about-
for. No, I can't look. I have to say look up and then I look round.
From my eye, I can't look.
I never say you can't look, this I look. You don't look too much.
Something she like, but
She never see nothing how you like. Look over here, so put your eyes down on the ground.
Aye.
Look on your boot. And look on mine. Yes, look on that. Don't look up here, so look down here, so. Focus down here, so.
alright, so where you going now?
I don't know when me say me I go get something to eat. Me and I.
But Nick, long time I don't see that girl later. We'll come back in the
Take your eye for that. Take your eye for that. Everybody you see, you know.
No, I have to heal them up. I have to heal them up because, you know, the born and grow, yes, so.
Oh, anyways.
You understand?
Me I come up on the road now, so let me see you.
Alright, nice girl, nice to meet you. Toga. Alright, nice to meet you. Yeah,
See
man.
him when? Come on.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah. Big up yourself, so alright.
Alright. Oh, man. So that girl I get nice, man. My friend nice too. No lie. So I'm gonna fall back in that place, man. Check out.
Girl, does your friend like me?
No do that.
I mean, me not do that.
Me know him long time. He not like you. Me know wine like. Me know him type.
So wait there, because you know him before me I say this. You don't know if your mind change.
Girl, his mind cannot change when he type because I am his type. Me I him type.
One day I go find out.
Which
You
one
say,
day?
You say I look at me when I talk to you.
He not look by. Me
No,
say,
that's eyes in me.
Mona, it was not eyes in the Mona. That's it, but they get hurt in the Mona. Because when the man them wanna want you and them you want, he don't want you more than me want.
Oh, you know, oh, you so sure?
Cause I mean that look from long time.
That I did.
No.
That I did.
No. He still like me. Yes, we have some catching up to do. We go catch up like catch up. We have a lot of things to do. We talk about girl and me once.
You will see.
I twin go off a board school boy like you. No do that man. Go look at other man. Look at other man. Take a year for that 1 year. I know me know where they look up and down and look up and down for him. Don't look up and down for him. Don't do it again. Don't you dare do it again. I film it him. Film it that one here. Everyone them I want. You want man too much. I film it him. That me I tell you my girl.
I joke me can you go on so?
Oh, I must joke. Laugh you now. Laugh. I joke. Laugh. Come.
So glad we trying to tired.
Tired too, girl.
You might just say now it's hot.
Look at breeze. Can't believe, girl.
How do you know your smile so?
Girl, me can't believe that Tugga really come back. He come back in a girl. You don't see him. Oh God. I can't believe it.
I'm going to come back along.
Yes, that's why I'm single. Cause I've been saving the konashi for him.
Now we come back.
Yeah, girl, I'm me and him, girl.
Cause
Wagwan! You there?
I come off of a bush and thirsty like a boy.
You know how not a thing.
You can't buy me.
Me broke like a dog. Not even dog not broke like a me not have no money for.
Because a bush me I come from, I cause look for me because
If
Yeah,
you're
come-
thirsty, if you're come here beg.
Oh,
I don't get alone.
Must
you
have
like a
like
friend, you know.
me not. Yes. So you come from bush, me not no. You
Oh, look how much beer my buy and I come give you cause for free. You can't buy me a juice.
no man, you have to go in the house, go drink some water. Don't
She
got
don't
no
have
money.
any money. She afraid to tell you. Well, I am telling you, she don't have any money.
You can't talk to your friend.
While I go, me see mama they talk. Me say, and me just I realize something. Don't face it with him. This is coming strong by the cousin. Hard working man. A man like us if you pick up and leave Tugga for me.
Oh.
Huh?
You know what she is?
I mean, no one that you know. I mean,
She
never
not
tell
find out my
me.
family.
Me never tell you say me want to go, you know. Me just tell the talk and hide.
Matter of fact, cause
Make him hide though. Me not.
I
I
don't. Me not want. Me even want to see she right now. It's a business.
Me I tell you the truth. I don't got no money. Me say go in the house and drink
I don't want
some.
no water cause man. If you come back to my farm, I don't give them food, you know.
Okay, where am I go to them? Beg. You see, say me now work. You ask me eat from morning, you have big spliff in your hand, cigarette, everything. You take me eat from
I'm
morning.
in a bush cause
Me have a day me yarn, me go pan the roof to get something to eat and no, me no reach to that shop there. Me just turn back at the shortcut. Me no have no money, that's why me turn back and me broke. And me da hope so me see a man for beg money. But wait there. I say me fool. Come and see the boy, you know, should I beg him my money, came up in, he never there to me saying rich. Should I beg him my money?
You should beg him, man, so I can't come beg you look more. You know,
I do a job on
you're not telling me here right now, you know. But you can come trip down my farm, come pick one bunch of banana here.
Alright.
As a family. You hear a little more?
Yeah. Don't come here later to cook dinner, because right now I have to go back late out.
Who will cook?
I make she cook.
Yeah, can I want some of my food still, yeah?
Yeah. So I'm going to go hungry. Girl, me hungry too. You know, Shadow? You see like how you say Toga like you? Go link him for your food.
No, you have ice pan Toga, me not.
I don't know ice pan Toga. Nobody want Toga. Who's Toga? Toga kiss me black ass.
I tell him, let me see you.
Tell him.
Go put on some tea, me soon come.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello, what going?
What with this?
You really ask me who this?
The number don't save, you know. The number don't save.
I Toga.
Oh, Toga. What going?
You remember my voice?
No, your son sweet up on the phone.
Oh, so what going?
No, me there, me they are sit down.
Oh, so you're free today? That we catching up today?
Yeah, me free.
Sure?
I say me not have nothing to do. I not talk for them. Just there me at sit down right now. I look out of space.
Oh, me just say me free today, so me there get a call.
Oh.
You know? So, me I go we link up today.
Yeah.
Eh?
But me got to go shout back here. Me got to shout back. No, I lie down.
Did you lie down?
Yeah, lie down on the chair. You good?
Cook. It's already make breakfast.
Me make breakfast long time. Till me I got shot, go buy Pepsi, I come back.
I'm tired, I feel beat out.
You feel beat out. Look at the time of the morning. Never morning, afternoon. 12:23 and you just get up out of bed.
Tired, brother.
Son, hot pan the zinc up and you're still in a bed. As a girl pick me, you're still in a bed. Talk about breakfast. Anyways, me make breakfast this morning and me eat off the whole of that.
I'm not gonna eat.
You shall wake up early. You want breakfast to get up early. Breakfast make in the morning. But a little bit left in the pot where you can get some. And that me I say, cause we can't understand this. You can't go work so. You see, if you want to underneath my roof, you're going to have to wake up in the morning. And when you have to go out there and get a work. You need a job. We can't be told we can't do the sofa. Me will provide the roof over there. Me do not provide the roof over your head. You provide the food. Go start work and bring the money come. Cause we need food by the table. Yeah, if you look at work for you, girl. We need someone for stay and something there. So put me about this up.
You want to take care.
You want to take care of me? Tell them what a sack and a set teeth and everything if you fit.
I will towards you, man. Cause
yeah.
You take me up, so.
Yeah, true. Mama like you, you just if I did some friends, some say me, you're a good friend, you know, girl. If I did some friends when I cuss and I go on the most way, you know.
Yeah, for true because they live on their
yeah.
So you may understand, man.
Yeah, we need a job for you. Me, I try to look at work, but you move to get work. Yeah? Move to get a, you know, move to go get a, move to get a work, yeah?
Yeah. Me I go touch the teeth and wash your face, so let's see what's
alright. Taga!
Oh, go on, we can't hang up before me
No,
here, so.
I was always understanding the connection drop.
Connection drop?
So you say I go on now. Tell me what you say. What I got?
Yeah, I said I want to link up today.
Oh,
So,
we can link up. We can
you
link up.
have to make me know where you live.
Yeah, me go say the location.
Alright, do that. Same
How you get my number too? Mr. Realize, how you get my number?
You don't know what people around us know ya.
Almost everybody.
You may ask Christian, man, I'm get your number.
Alright.
So,
Huh?
yeah, I'll send me location and
Yeah,
number.
just send location now.
Right now.
Right now.
Alright, do that when we go all a bit.
Mona! Come here! Let me get rid of you first. Mona! Mona!
Yo!
Come here!
Yeah, come.
Come to me.
See, I cook me, did I go cook the
Girl, as I talk about cook, I just run to my mind. Me want you come to get some banana. You say banana figure, we go get banana for cook. But put them back in the eye. Go, give me the eye, I'm going to the eye back up here. Go and me get the banana. For my uncle. That uncle, I told my uncle to give me a piece of money. So I say uncle, but go and get the banana for my cousin. Banana, go on. And if I go up there and see what by the front, go on the bush, up there, now let me yard.
Look at me, I'm a camera.
You look sexy, you look damn good. Girl, powder maga body for my guan with a good up body, go get banana to eat, girl. Guana. You don't want banana, yes, wiggle your bumper. Yes, guan, sexy. What, like I don't need to tighten a little bit. Set a location here now. Come on, you know, let me be a pineapple come stand out there. Eh? So, what, good?
Right there, man.
Welcome to
No, long, me stand up and wait for you, man. We don't even get to buy the rum or something.
Actually, I deal with something, but as me I say no, you're good.
Yeah, go on look room, though.
Yeah, I'm looking one room. Everything alright?
How are your friend there?
She not there no.
She not there?
Yeah. She got my to come back.
Oh, she live here with you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You see I stay along on the road?
I don't know she has stay like my phone on the road, you know. I don't know, yeah.
Me like her, you know. No, I'm saying I like her.
Oh, you like her?
It's just, if you like, say me and her about the connection, you know?
Oh,
you know when I can see somebody and you just rate them?
Yes, you just rate them.
Yeah.
That's true, man, I know you're talking.
So, how things with you?
Things with me is very much fine. Life is very much wonderful.
That's wonderful.
Everything is come together, you know?
Okay, that's the one.
But I try, you know, get a work, fix up here, so get a lot more decent.
Okay.
I want to sit here and ask her everything. I want to dress her. Now watch how it's smart.
I plan to open a business still, you know.
Then I'm going to work for you.
Well, yeah, I get things organized, you know. Because I live for America, I come from America.
Yeah, fly pan bird.
Plane fly pan, not bird.
I still can't play him nowadays.
Well, say iron bird, see.
Yes, iron bird.
Different. But I'm
Serious, I want to know. You saw I'm a friend you have eyes for. She
yeah, I like her, I'm not telling you. I like her. I just want a girl where I go build with me, you know? You understand?
You understand, yes, man.
I don't want a girl that just like say, want me for my money.
And that's true, you want a girl to take your money.
Yeah.
But me not.
I just say jumpy.
Oh, me not like jumpy.
Like a calm girl. You know? Like a bill in a hot door.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it's sweet. But as me I say no stills. As you know how you get somebody, we have your passion. What's the matter?
Must me a friend in us so me can't have my eye on you.
You have your eye on me one time, just turn them back.
If you come a year that you still have that, how much years that?
I still have it on my head.
Oh, way back when we are little picnic.
I know. Let's set a link for you. I'm a friend.
Yeah, man, the tell I say, me a good youth or something. You see me?
Yeah, come here. You know,
have I number?
Yeah, I have a number, man.
Give me a number.
See there. Okay. Mona Shinia.
Mona?
Yeah. So when she come.
So we are running so far, we not even done talk about nothing yet.
What more do we talk about?
What do you mean?
Come.
We not even talk about how you go to school and so.
No man, talk to Mona about that. You talk to me about how you go to school. Go to school fine and wonderful.
Me not understand.
She not there here, she come out, she
want.
want.
But me come to talk to you.
Oh, me no want to talk to me right now, neither. Sometimes he just.
Alright.
Yeah. Next time, it was nice seeing you. Come over next time.
So, me give a call, yeah?
Yeah. Don't call me, call she.
But me not like how you are running out of your place.
You have a house for yourself?
Yeah.
Comfortable can fit her.
What do you mean comfortable can fit her?
No worry. You should say comfortably enough.
So,
That would be nice.
I jello till I get jello.
No! Tell her me I have a friend. Why would I get over that?
No,
no must
no,
have eyes for your other friend. No must have eyes for your other friend. I have eyes for you.
Oh, friend.
The other one is the far with the back in the school.
Oh, yeah, my talk.
Yeah, we are talking about I see what about jealous.
So when
Right.
we can do catching up then?
I'm not catching up later.
Yeah, get
yes.
busy now.
No, you can't. He don't send one text message. I have to get back to you. You know what I mean, man? I have to put my man first. Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So me
Yeah,
too, then,
alright, yeah.
Alright.
God, pulling me, God. Boy, you wash she up so. Look at this.
Jabuan!
How would that, man?
Come, come send me to you. I'm not really want to cook either.
You mean I'll feed you, you know?
You can't feed me. You ever see me begging at home?
You come here, Alpha.
I come here, I come up on the farm. I come send me to you. Come here. You're all hot.
See, if I need one thing, I'll shoot you, little girl. Just 2 minutes, I want to take my life from me, you know.
Anyways, I come here to argue there. Come send me to you on a banana.
You send no money?
No?
Say you come banana without no money.
But you come here and ask the girl for this and the girl.
Me get it.
So we have to
Never
argue,
argue.
but she want to go cook.
Pine tree them, and pine tree them. Everything got, from family that. Somebody purchased the one there in the back too. Everything got market this morning, man. Don't worry yourself, just check back, look more.
No, Papa, back. You see that? So we say, now give me the banana.
I don't have a banana today. It's not the pine tree, them a market. 1,000 gear.
We don't have the money. We never tell us to buy. Me come buy. Beg, we begging. That's about $1,000. Love money too much. You don't come here. You want hire. You want flour. I will give you. I know we can't give you a banana.
Say come and beg me a banana with attitude.
Not attitude.
I mean really give banana with attitude. Look what I'm from now, man.
Come back down here and you see. I dash water pan you. I dash a piece pot pan you. Dirty boy.
Not see here, girl. Left up. Don't let the girl lay. If me cause I send him back on my farm again, now I bury me on my farm. I don't like her.
Girl, you know something get the banana?
I like
You don't get no banana.
Let me get the banana.
He hope then my customer class me and something and whatever banana sit on the tree and he saying I have none more. This family purchase, that I ain't got market already.
So me want to feel you can tell me
And you always give me things them when you come down here. You before I tell you don't have it. See me I can tell you say you don't have a banana. Tell him say you don't have nothing to give him again.
But him tell me say I have banana can't give me him tell me say I have banana up
Actually,
there.
you want to give him things. Trinity want to think them, why am I tell you that? And you now
Alright.
use a damn big head. One thing I know if you do a cost me.
What cost you?
I'm there with you.
But as me I say now, ma'am. I mean, tell us to me now. Don't worry about the banana. Don't worry about that. Me figure that out. Me need to
So
have
we ever cook
banana.
now, cause I'm hungry.
And that me I get to know. You have to go put something on the table.
Huh?
You have to go put something on the
You
table.
mean where me get money from?
Me no know, you can't dey underneath my roof. All you want to do is sleep, eat, and release. That now go work.
Girl, me and you have an agreement on that. I'm tell you, say, me I'm going to go in at the town and go look something to do.
Yeah, I
and
believe
help
that.
you fix up your board house and put things at the house.
How long it a work? Cause you need something. Cause me not understand. Me not understand how it a go work. Honestly, me tell you the truth. Me a suffer. Me a struggle with you. Me not know pitney. I sure I'm pitney. Me have a struggle with me. But are you big gun to man like a you in at me place and have a work. Me a suffer for you, man.
Girl.
Yeah, my head hurt me a daytime.
Girl, you know so when me I work for me and you. You know so me I work, anything I buy for myself, me buy for you. I like me I tell
You don't work for a win. You don't work for a win.
But when me I work, and that me do, when me I work, me not help you out.
When that work, your money that mine. And I say, God, make a little money, what do you go put on tattoo and pierce up? Tattoo and pierce up nose like you're a bull cow. But you pierce up nose.
Girl.
And smile your pierce.
Girl.
It's for the one in the pierce, you can make it a needle and pierce it fake right now. We're hungry. You take your money, got no foolishness. It's like when I got the foot right now, me just frustrated. Me just tired of this.
You know, say there something forgot me just pack up my things and come out right now because me I get fed up on you.
Me no mind.
Yes, weird, you know.
I don't mind, cause it was so, hey. I try to know the bad news I may get to the girl. I try to understand.
You understand nothing. Me don't tell you about your cousin.
Let me come
already.
Let me cousin go yam shit. What do him? And if I can't give him banana, I'm busy boy my banana. Just look away, me go pan me can't buy with no man.
I'm not going to go there and come tell the sun drunk me.
You see? The sun drunk you. You're going to go lie down. How you go yam if you go lie down, mama? How you go eat if you lie down? Me tell you, you're not say big woman, you're not say. Hey.
What me I go do? Alright, I'm going to be a go pan you and I'm going to try check one man.
Go on the bridge tonight.
And that me I go do, me I go pan it.
No, you want to go work it
Yes,
and
go work it. I want me collect, you're not getting any. Later.
Girl, that's what you say to the text so make your face so light up in the morning, yeah. Who you text? Who you text?
Guess how we are text?
No, family member.
Family member?
Family member.
Girl, guess again. Which family member you talk with? Me they have family member there so?
Foreign man.
Which foreign man?
So who can text to make your face just light up so?
Girl, just guess a owner. Jesus.
Who?
Do you know when you want to look at my phone for?
Yeah, tell me guess who I text me no know who.
But don't look at my phone. Don't say something me love you see.
Who I text you?
Guess the names. You have an A in it. You have an H in the middle. You know, we know. There's a pre before we catch right here.
Girl, me no know who. All child, me no know who.
Girl.
Who you text?
Girl. Guess a who?
Mama, tell me if you tell me, well, guess. Me not so bright. Yeah, give me a puzzle for fix. Me not so bright, man. Tell me if you tell me a who, man.
Girl, I told her.
So you really gonna phone to take out the boy number?
Girl, me never did tell them get your phone go take out the boy number. This morning wake up, me see a message from a foreign number. And when time I text the person say it's Togger.
Oh, that good sis. I want to talk about no.
I don't want to. Girl, come on,
girl, me and your friend, girl.
So because I'm a friend for tell you all of this.
So girl, come here. I want to tell about girl trying to find a man. No, I was saying yeah, money. Girl, so I come from for real. So I want to talk about.
My husband going relationship I want to something. Like, it even makes them a say.
Well, me not too thinking on a relationship still. Probably one lucky one.
Where you know? Where you know?
Girl, me not thinking one. Me and my friend, you know, me not thinking go on. Just one lucky one, as me say. Cause me know him a long time now, girl. I mean, we're going too deep in that. Me tell you this because me and your friend, girl. I know why you get hurt, you ever get hurt. Talk to my cousin of the farm. It's one match.
What? Match? Hey.
You know,
yeah, your cousin can't green. But even like smell when what?
I love that. I love when you see one that I want in love with one and just start cause anybody will see cause anybody I date them. I true them love them, make them a cause them, girl. I true you love him. And you have money, so much just see me have money, talk to him, man.
Me don't want a dirty cousin. Me and him can't agree. Me don't want him.
So dirty talk you want?
Yes.
Dirty talk if you broke your heart. Alright, so talk about
your heart. Broke my heart.
Girl, when we used to go to school.
That I used to. Me tell us that this is now that he was then. This is now. Something change.
I say ever get a heartbroken on. I say ever get a heartbroken. Can you love the little idiot well pan dirty for toga?
To go to come from friends to have money.
Money you want from me. Tell you know, you see you know what I say, but you listen to me. Listen to me when I preach for your mama. That way, my cousin got money to talk. I don't got nothing. Where can take tongue come back to Jamaica? Can't find me that them dip him. When they dip him like why man name when they dip people them. Trump never dip tongue push Trump push down tongue. Cause your tongue broke and all the money. You understand? Let me come up on the road. Come down.
I'm never talk to someone. I'm talk to your dirty job one.
Talk to job one got it. Trump never. Job one. can't take us sometime. I can't.
Me can't sometimes with that. I know some of your cousin can't agree. And you just...
I want dirty tugger. Dirty tugger somebody who you want.
Girl, I'm trying to kill me. Tugger want camera go beach. You come in?
Me I come.
Oh, you come.
Girl, I know girl, she not a true tugger my friend. No, a true tugger my friend. If it test for loyalty, for loyal to him. I say must come feed me, understand? You want a good person here. So come on, God.
Look and tell me no. I just know say I bag the salon we are by you.
I was on here with him though.
Where you go out on my phone?
No big body tugger. You see my feeling body before you never as big body tugger.
Yes, it's big. From my feet just 49 pounds, so yes, it's big. Yes, that me want.
So what time you say Maga Beach?
Well, you know, finalize it and just tell me something to get ready, and if my friend come in, tell her so she can prepare herself.
No, I'm already know.
And just know some about the salon I get. Because you never want me to talk to
I know. So me can go on the road and come back or I kiss so we go now. Come on meet him now.
You want to meet him now?
Come, me just show me now swim. So me now go swimming now.
Alright, come, you go on first. On first.
No, you go first.
Alright.
Where are you to? Oh, you want to beach? You think they make you want to go? Make a feel be there. Fuck the father.
For the fact so.
Taga.
So,
Okay, I'm just here. So yeah, gotta be trying to invite me.
Walking you, drop.
what do you mean? What do you mean?
Yeah, gotta be trying to invite me.
To tell your friend, to tell her.
Oh, so you lost my number now?
Huh?
You lost my number now. You don't have my number if you text and tell me say we're going to beach. So soon as I get your number, you lose mine.
What me do? Me tell you I say, me say
So-
that. Me give the message.
And me text she not get a message. That's why you're there, so you can get the message. Right?
You can text me yourself and say we're home. We're going to beach.
You never said she want to text her. Bad man, she bad man.
Relax.
Eh?
You say we're going to beach?
Yeah, we're going to beach.
Yeah.
That's what you can do.
I want promotion with them medicine too long down still. Because through me I start the business as me say. Me I go in a charity thing with Empathy Popeye. I start a YouTube thing.
So no feel like you don't want to help me. Me look bored out.
No man, when we get the barrel them, we'll issue it to people who need it.
Cause me need some obstacle and some setting in
The
my
problem me have to fly go back America.
Yeah.
Problem me have to carry somebody with me.
Sit down. Oh, she move the seat. Me thinking that's turn and drop.
So you want me to Jeff?
It was a joke. I joke, man. We're
Come
like a
on,
long
come
time
on.
with a running joke.
Come on. Right?
I like Jesus. I can't really get away.
Yeah, come here.
I'm ready for that beach.
Yeah. Oh, we put something print out here, boom, boom, stuff.
Yeah, you know watch me come and we're going to beach. Thank God.
Well, it's so hot down here.
Bad.
I'm glad it cool up and come still.
You see that better?
We go shower now.
Yeah, sure. You can't come out from here, they won't be able to.
Okay, yeah? No problem, man.
Just get some clothes.
Alright, whenever
Go for
you're
them.
ready. Ready now?
I'm going to film them too. So I can come?
Man, she may talk to you, you know, have water here, so.
No, what's that in there? You want
What
to
do you
do? So me and your friend,
You want
I
to come
come
to
here.
a jug then?
No. Just like how chef go be because go be here and done more than
Does-
over your jug. You don't understand that? Awa.
Go for the jug and come.
No man. Me not go for no jug, me a come beer.
Yeah, go for your clothes then.
I go to so long time.
We are go.
How they come beer now what's the year?
So come for one bucket and you come at them.
Which bucket?
You don't even come up there. Where you come beat for?
Girl, me
Can you get invite?
Make she do it here, my friend.
no,
Make she do it
sir.
here.
Yes, sister, make me nana water me yard. Alright.
Yes,
Alright,
carry
let me
job.
take
Yes,
up a picture. Let me take up a picture. Cause
Tell me do you want to?
See, I just come for your water and come back.
Yeah.
yeah, me just do that. Go on.
Come.
If I understand the cut your head piece.
Come on.
Oh, you to be one got the man here by yourself. You're dirty like that. Right. eso? ¿Cómo está eso? Ah, ¿cómo está eso? ¿Cómo está eso, man? ¿Cómo está eso? See, next time, he asked us, say, if you want to go pay, you go bed. Can want jug? Or you think said no, you got water, because you know when I know say water in the house.
But me want bed up there.
Where you want to go pay, man, you go bed?
Me have my reasons.
Oh, you want some bread? Where you want to go pay, man, you go bed? Yeah, what?
Somebody sold waves and talk to him.
No, I'm in a business. I don't care, me I tell you the truth no more now. I don't care if you want to say me bad man, I'm ungrateful, I'm this or me what. Stop pushing myself on tug and I push myself on tug too much. Calm down. Me I tell you the truth, man. Me can't take it no way. Can't take it no more. And me tell you this. Cause it's like me I talk to you and you not get it in your head. And me tell you from now, any all you tug they go there, you have to come out of my place. You have to go pack up and come out. Me no business when nobody wants to see.
You have to go pack up and come out.
You have to go. Yeah, that's how we reach. Cause you know in yourself say me like him, you know in yourself say me like him more now. And you not to push myself on him, but y'all have his number. Eh? Me just say dead because you don't want dead because you want
yeah,
and me
if I
want.
say me take his number. Him give me the number I am me. Take it out of your phone. Me tell you say him contact me the morning.
I don't
So
care.
you can't see me
Black and black and delete it, but he say you can't come for me and come bed. She said no.
You go and say me the ask him to come up there. That's the next thing.
You could have said no. Your female make you want to go up there. It's when you go beach. Ah, when me know say me not swim and me know say me can't swim, me never want to go no beach. Nice sun at me there walk. Me see more back your pee clock. You go bed. You think say me have water in my house, me have water in my house. Say all the joke that even full. Just to show you say me have a me yard, but me just now make you go up there by yourself. Cause you know say me like him. Me don't be what nobody wants to say.
So me see where that come from, man. Just because you like him, I say all of them something. I don't. But don't worry yourself.
You see what I say? I'm done chat. Me don't chat with you because any son ever start talk and lock me door and lock you out.
Look at people live on notes in our base. So come out here, sit. What me do I lock you door for?
What's God?
What the fuck must me do, man? If I you, me need to wait pan. We get the banana to eat. Me not get to hungry. The price of a banana you can come.
Some boiling banana.
The banana is my bad for help.
But you put them in your pot, but
You said the girl up there for the banana come talk about you gotta mark it. And
Yeah.
what's what and what's not what.
yeah, some take you out of his son. You know what's my figure market for me to look out in already, man. You don't know already.
You know what, come over here so that this one I move from the video so I can't answer the ask something. You know me I am cousin. Right? And my little friend that old, me feel like you have to start talk.
Which look for that?
You know Mona, man, Mona. You have to start link. Yeah, Mona need to start link.
her?
Me don't like her neither.
So what you want to put her for me now?
No, cause you get for angler, you don't know, you don't want to date her there with her,
No,
man.
sometimes you
A
take
nice, clean brown in that.
Nice clean what?
Brown?
A brown in, but not nice and clean. She might brown.
So me no watch that.
Can
Don't
take a
watch
one
that.
knock or 2 or 5 man and go on bum business. But me don't want her, man. I'm to your customer.
Yeah, man, just take her up, bring her with power and date, you know. I have to take her for them. Me want to catch a town and want to play town for take picture. I want to take picture of town and hug up.
For?
No, me just, you know.
That now go work?
No, man, me just say town swimming with her.
In a bush, you know.
So, if I even at the bush, you want to hug her up from back way. Anywhere you want to hug her up from.
Like it back.
As long as you hug her up, me just want a picture. Take care of me, man.
Come on, my. You say I come to banana come with an attitude. Because I have some from my family. And I have people, all of them already, I'm going to put on. I bring some garment and sell.
Oh.
Because people come on them pockets and they want to put things.
So I say dress up so now, can you make money?
Yeah.
I know if you talk to her like you dress up so man.
No,
It's
sir.
time I want a picture with the two of them and I kiss up, suck out and everything.
I don't know if that one day.
Because I have a little problem of mine. You know?
What kind of problem?
Me show me can put it now. Banana. See banana? What the banana?
How are the banana?
Watch.
Yeah, why, man?
Don't you so? I something what me want. Right? Yeah so? See me here? See something me want, right? Something in the way right so they block me. And me need to get rid of it.
Hold on, stop again. What you say? Walk again.
Alright. See me here.
Where you with it?
See me so, that part over here so. You
That's
see?
how you that.
Me that. And me want this up here so. Right? But this is not the way they block me. So what am I have to do to this? Me have to chop off if you get what me want. But though me can't chop it, I must destroy what me want. So what me want, me can't chop a place, me will go to prison. And you know what I go to prison? Me if you get re-died for me. Because me like everything in front block me traffic. Me want
Somebody I talk about.
yes. You're smart. She made us more you to read her.
You have problem with him because on your head somebody have problem with him.
No,
What you think about me? Me go bury him on my farm.
No, I better you
And
bury her.
fertilize him.
No, I better you bury her in the farm. Because I can't take her no more. Tired her.
She take your man. Let her go on. She take your man. She's taking your man.
Taking my man. My man. No, what she say?
Me know a sense man no because we can't fix a problem.
Alayatin.
But you have to have money.
No worry about that. Me have some back around there so me can go change up. Watch it. See more yeah. Yeah. Then can the people are buy them nowadays. This too. Look on it. Yeah.
Because me don't want you to walk and look back up on the ground, you know.
See it there? Watch ya. See it there?
Our money back battle.
Yes. Yeah.
Because me don't want you to walk and look back up on the
No
ground.
man. Where the science? I mean no business about farmer. Where the science people there? Me need to get rid of she.
Yeah, but I can't tell you when you're already a leak. At 30 grand at least, we can't say that other man there.
Know yourself. 30 grand?
30
I
grand.
want line up 50 because I have to see me. I have to get rid of the reach out of my house, man.
Me there say me come bring it banana come give and make a look.
All the banana. Bring back all the banana. I'm never done banana. But take a look at time I go. Come. Bring the banana. I'll give the hobby. Hold it. Remember that banana? Thank you. Tomorrow me I call link you.
I'm going to give some money to my mother.
Give it.
No.
No. You don't care if you want to eat. Mona! Come, man, come. When I laugh, come. Come here. What you make it up? You really this? Me been a one your girl. Leave Tugger alone. This man him look me see text message in your phone with him. No, sir.
But to tell me say, you know because I no man come between you. You really got with this?
No, Tugger is not just any man. Tugger is the one. Me been away pan Tugger from me. I got from school days and Tugger gonna boys come been away pan Tugger. And you come go take Tugger.
But we are friends,
No! Friend not take friend, man. And I eat your dough. Bride. Trumpet. Stay up there, cause you think say, and me and you need take what me take and build this. You make a start, lock me door. Make a lock the door, girl. Next time, don't come up in a friend house, cause friend will do things like this to you. Watch this.
That's my favorite thing.
Kayla put you out.
I know to go.
I joke, I prank with Kayla.
Kayla there, yeah.
That's why you out of door sleep last night?
Oh, but I'm road. Now we can go.
Why would you put you out? I feel burger. Where should put you out?
Because it's a boy over there.
Something about me?
Yeah. Let me know if you come back for the funny road.
You don't have no figure. That wicked friend, man. I never know say she's scared, man.
Over man.
I'm tell her I say I don't want her, I just friend. only two me I look her in I pass, you know. And I just friend. No. I'm see you and me like you. You know what I say? Me I rush anything, man. But you don't want to come for me, I can stay.
Obey ya.
Yeah. I couldn't have no to stay. My mother feels so guilty. Me left her right as up same place for the road. I don't have no to stay.
It's become done if you stay.
Just come, man.
All night and now come.
Well, I tell you, good friend.
So that to me him say, a long time you want to put out there enough. So me say, oh, for me had all this time more now. One like say me have a friend, no sinner with me.
You put me out 2 minutes ago.
All you talker? All you talker?
What do you mean?
Me not ready for you yet, you know. Me not ready for you yet. And not even 2 days good since we dash you out there, but we are what go with talker.
Make her up on my yard.
You what?
Because she not have nowhere to go. And me see her up on the roadside.
So you talker, you have style me talker. You have style me.
Oh, me I tell you. Me tell you say we are friends.
What?
Me tell you say we are friends.
Talker, me remember when me did young to tell me how you like me and you want me. And you see you want this body, yeah. Tell me now. What want to you see more than change your mind? Tell me.
How long now me left go boarding school? Tell me.
How
Me
much
left
years?
17 years now me left from Nigga there. Go boarding school. And me left school, me go foreign and me come back.
So what did they say? You come back for me.
Me
You
never
talk
tell-
about. You put it on my head. Here you, Kayla, wait on me. Me been a wait. Then you come take up money.
Me tell you to wait for me.
You tell me wait for you. Once you tell me say you
No,
like me,
yeah.
that tell me something wait for you.
Once me tell you something,
Yes, you tell me say you like me. I'm a weird part that me say
Well,
for wait for you.
me heart
How do you
very
wait
she
down
now.
the morning? You want 2 face too.
Who?
You. Me think you didn't with me
Me
girl, but you
I
know with me.
can't believe
No,
say
you
really
let
put
because
her
of man, you
around.
put me out. I'm ready to go sleep on the rest
I
of the
and I come from far.
Girls, me your friend, you know say me rate the boy, you pick up yourself and go for the boy. Yeah.
Somebody finish escape on the road, me somebody on the family.
Me tell say me like the boy, you do for the boy, you go for boy, you go bed. You think me the you think what an name there me yard?
So that's why they
You
come
think
from
say me yard the one go beach in there, me walking as one at and watch it too, I don't know. Oh, and that me I tell you no, we just give me spirit in the early morning, yeah. Did just let me a walk.
I said this here.
And this me see. I saw me stay, me a businessman.
You change.
You can't believe where your friend had this. What you would have really do me if you had your friend, so?
How many do you? I just say that me and you are walking and man you walk with Mona.
Come on.
Well, come on, babe. Me and you.
You can't believe say
oh
me
no.
and friend are really.
Don't worry yourself. Job one, me go lick.
I don't know why it's not starting. Man, like broken idea, man. Oh boy. Oh.
Pop into the
Wow, man.
there, man.
Why you can't give me a problem now, start, man? Need some money, man.
I'm going to come on the work here still. But here we are going.
Fast cash.
Fast cash. I'm a cause more trick, you know. My just like a science man.
Long time. That I have, yeah, the big old fat money left her clothes in. I have it right now, can use. That's a real
The
production.
year already know just up now and go up there.
Make sure she have money, you know.
Which I'm feeling different.
You see, land them tell us that somebody give me for cut down. I know we can't cut it down because we not see the money yet. Right, that's a perfect spot. But the one I can know me too much, you know. Come on, pretend like me not know you.
No, we know a ball game already, man.
So what kind of problems she have?
Man problem.
Backside, easy sitting that, man. Want a man, but man in shall get. Yeah, man.
Like you that, okay?
Yeah. I'm going to tell you, but I better want him to get enough money.
No, man. I'm so far. This is how you're somebody there?
That's right, so we have somebody more, man.
No, man.
But you have a shirt, yeah. But you have a man, that you have one place and one party.
Stop there, sir. Come closer. Come up.
Come up.
There's no your struggle. Spin the road. You want the man to yourself.
Yes. How you know?
And the spiritual, I know everybody business.
Me want the man.
Spin the road. Squat, no man, squat.
Where me like squat?
Go down and come up. Yeah, you want the man. You Billy body for the man, yeah. Yeah, mama. Yeah, again. One more time. More. You have to do it, mama. If you don't do it properly, you're not going to get the man. You want the man? Tell me you want the man.
You want the man?
Yeah, me want the man. All right.
You want the man?
Cool. Spin your roll again. Mama, spin your roll this time.
Oh.
All right. Feel me, man. Repeat it 10 times.
Feel me, man.
Listen to me, man.
Feel me, man. Feel me, man. Feel me, man. Feel me, man. What time I got already?
4 times.
Feel me, man. Feel me, man. Feel me, man. Feel me, man.
Yeah.
Feel me, man.
Yeah, shout out.
Feel me, man.
You know, you don't have to shout out. You want nobody know to come out there. All right. How much money?
Papa, I look at 30 something. I look at 30.
130? Do something better than that.
Me not better than that now for me. You know nothing for you.
Let me see it.
Yeah?
See that?
Yeah.
30,000. Somebody payment cut short and all.
Cause tell if you bring more money in a cause, tell if you bring more money, you can't bring it.
No, never.
Yeah.
You can't bring 30,000.
How old? You know him?
I'm a cousin.
Are you cousin? Alright, you know what you do? You give him, when I go down, you give him 5 more.
Alright, no problem.
See if you don't give him the 5 more, if you care back and give me. You know if you find back your way, sir?
No, me no find back your way. I wonder if she know if you want to come back on it.
Alright.
So, I'm not getting money now. I'm not getting time now.
Well, man, I never work on that. I payment me talk about. When you go down, you give him the 5 and then carry come and give me. Then you send the powers in what me I go give. You see them trees up here? You put it right at the man doorway when you walk. You put one in the doorway, one at the corner of the house.
Outside?
Yeah. And one in your hand. So when you call him out, you tap over the first one. You won't lose memory of the girl. The second one, when you come around, you carry around the house. If you come around the corner and pass that, you go think that you're alone and him in love. You see one in your hand,
yeah.
you're holy. As long as you're holy, mamas. When you're asleep, you sleep within your hand. Everything, you know, let it go. If you're bed, you're holy. You make sure the pan jump. You know, let it go down tall.
Give me it now. So I night now?
Now, them here, don't mix it up.
So I'm looking like I kiss something in the man.
Which akis? Mama, where you come?
Up here.
Okay. No matter what me give you, cucumber and pumpkin can walk over here. You ever go a Yeti? Okay.
You know I go and some?
This now.
Why you bring me come here now?
This one, man. So you know. See, different. Them different. Look.
Yeah.
This is you holding your hand at all times.
Hold it tight and me get him.
Right.
Me go do it now.
No, listen me now. No. You go down, you give him the 5 and put one.
No man, me go down now, give him the money and go straight over there.
So you want the man for real?
Me want the man.
I wish you luck.
Alright, thank you.
Come on,
Yeah.
show first. Come on.
Yeah, come here, papi show.
What a scam.
Tada!
Hold on.
Come here.
Hold on.
Akela, come here. How are you good?
What you know in apartment I live?
Mama said, you got to live there and ask some questions.
Oh, it's your comparison.
Yeah, yeah. See you good?
No.
Come walk, go ahead. Maybe walk a little bit. Maybe for the exercise training.
So the exercise going around the garden?
No, yeah, my friend, just told me around, go right around the stuff.
Yeah, people in.
Come on,
I was a choke one and make me do it.
no, why you going on? Let's come on. Come on.
What
Run down with it.
What?
Come back.
What?
Hold me to you. Hold me to you. Come on, go back in the house and come back out again. You think something already. Just go in the house and come back.
Where's come away from? What?
I stop me and just go in the house and come back out, man. I feel me, man. Just go in the house and come back out.
Oh, walk here, man.
I stop me and challenge. Go on. You mean, come and rush out here, make me feel lazy. Come, exercise.
Come here, go back in, Lord.
Go back in and walk, come back out. And it's out of the idiot. You wait. Wait. Come on now, listen. Oh, walk over that. Walk on that side. Walk on that side, Arsenal.
Yeah, I can't feel now. Where point now? Where point?
No, man. I'll start listening. Never mind.
Something there?
No.
So why come over to walk, come on, that walking?
Mary?
We talk about this idea.
That's right.
We talk about this idea.
Freshness.
You tell somebody related and pass.
Yeah, remember. We think you did what in the work.
Wow, go. What for walk? Where is that one?
30,000. Me 30,000, Lord Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's when you come to your right, Michael, like the egg gun.
No, man, I got it gone. And leave me down in somebody.
Your friend there.
Me don't know.
You never know, call her and see what she can do.
You know, that's something. Listen, my man. I need it right now, cause I must get the people them. Listen, all the property we are trying to clean up for the people them. Are you make me wait if I still listen, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, me I'll check you later, please. Alright. Yeah, no problem.
Oi,
Huh?
I want to for idiot.
What?
In no work.
What you doing?
You say. Remember.
You don't remember?
If you put one out the door, I want on the whole side. I make him walk over it. And walk around you think you make only one. It don't work.
No, Mama. You do something wrong.
No.
You do something wrong.
No, you do not wrong.
Go back down there, Mama. Hold on.
No. All I want is me still holy. Because I plan to take you and lick you in your eye.
No, Mama. You
Eh?
tell us something.
Eh?
I'm telling you what you do wrong. Maybe when you go down there, you all on panic, you know, say, I feel me, man. You didn't
say, I feel me, man.
No. Go back and try again. Say it 10 times when you're holding. I feel me, man. I feel
You
me.
know what?
Go back.
Give me back my money. Just give me back my money.
Put that in the castic, you know.
Which castic? Dig up the castic and give me my money.
Come,
Me
back.
30,000. Wow.
My membership. My make your old can't lock again. Go on.
If you can't make me hold him, man, how you gonna make me hold, man?
Huh?
Me want me money.
Alright, I will listen. You can't.
How you do?
I walk over here for your wall, Mama. Yeah, man, that brought you. To the gun. Damn easy.
How are this here? That's just life. How are this here in the early morning? Oh, my face like I'm still like it's morning breeze.
Exactly.
Even man. Okay. Me never know when that will get serious. I couldn't get serious. The thing is I put her phone look one time and then put her back out.
You know, me take care. Me take care. No. She's bees at me and look bored.
What?
Our visa, me about
You can't look about visa for she and left me here.
me in no relationship. I'm here
You don't hear.
Oh, what me sugar there, yes, sir. See you, girl.
Oh,
See
no,
you,
no bother
girl.
with this, no.
See you, girl. You're not going to live happy in a relationship, and that me I tell you. You're not going to live happy now. You better watch your back. Are you talking? Watch your back. Girl, let me tell you, girl. Yes, your people and a different shit they done for the day you take the man. You see how people got back food and man they up over girl. Man, this a grudge you high. A peel don't know what they over your head, girl. And two you don't know what they over your head. This a grudge you high for you. Bo foreign. Now let me a Jamaica, you idiot.
Yo, my lord, Turbulence to the Future here from the EABIC, and we are representing Tugger TV alongside the Ayashot family. See how we're at, Bubba?
One out, one name on destiny, so I might back.
Kopang! I need your name and number if you decide. Let me know.
Wait. Before I go in a movie, I want to tell you, please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment down below as usual. And as usual, welcome back to Tugger TV. If you're new, please subscribe and put the bell to all so you don't miss when we post a new movie. You understand? Remember, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop an honest comment down in the comment section. And please, everybody, if you want to donate to the channel, please hit me up on this number. Do it right.
Yeah, I'm not going to do.
And so in the morning, you can't just have sleep so every day. I'm saying all the stuff to do is sleep. That's the entire life. You can't sleep out your life now, so. You think so?
Oh, let him do back you now. So, how are you going so? And this you left me for?
Girl, you know, see you come like crosses. Look how me I go about my business and you just come
No, me have to stop her because look how she like her, she better than me. Look how me, look how she like stick.
What do you mean look like stick? What you talk about?
Look how she maga.
This girl alone. I left her because
What do you mean nowadays?
left her alone. Left her alone. I left her because you're mad in your head and you come like crosses. When you see me, I'm a new woman I walk and you come run up. I like them style, dog.
So you start disrespect me now for this.
I don't know disrespect, but you know no style.
Mama, let me tell you for parents and go on where you go. Here. Davy, I feel me. So please continue joining and go on.
Oh, man, this is a girl, a mad girl. Mad girl.
So she better than me. She better than me now everywhere. Don't worry yourself, Davy. Me must walk here again. Don't worry yourself.
Oh, I can never tell me that the mad woman there did have as an ex.
You know, some of the time we have some things in our past in real life to talk about. She is one of them. A girl, you know, a mad girl. Me try with her. But some of the time I feel like he just take him and say something. And not because he's ugly or nothing like that, make me and him couldn't do but that girl like
Upper sound already.
sitting around with him. And I
Why?
realize it's like a family thing because said so in mother tongue. Said so in mother tongue, said so in sister tongue. Me never meet him grandmother, but him granny good in her grave. I go on just like a she right now. It's a family thing, man.
Why? So, wait, you and I did live together, yeah, so?
Yeah, and I did live. You ever hear expression see me and live with me are two different things. I live with her and find out see I'm a mad girl. Because me and him just me and him there around 2 months before he started to come here, you know. It was perfect and something now grow now. I feel like she did that one, but you see 1 week in my house. I realized that no, this a girl that put me in my grave. Any of my follow him up.
You're going to put you in your grave for true. Anyways, I'm going to start to lie down.
Yeah, I think, man. No matter what, no problem. Why prayer now?
What go on, brother?
Yeah, I'm there. Go on.
I'm glad you come and say, look, I want to talk to you about something. You know, we are doing a like that attitude.
Oh, you know?
You can't bring in woman in the ear and you know say ex around them here. How you do that?
Oh, that can't chat more. No, sir. I know what you mean about my ex in that ear. I'm after my ex can mash up my life.
You know, say she mad.
Yeah.
A mad woman that man.
That can't do nothing for me. I'm more mad forever. I can't not. I have to live my life. I can't not because of she. I can't carry woman on my yard.
Remember, you know? Remember what happened last time? At that same road there going to down. Look at the girl when yeah, the girl never in no business and she shut her box when you see her on her walk. Eh? So you know what happen next?
You can't do that again. You can't do that. You know some mad son. You mad in her head but you
Listen.
madder than me.
You can't tell me no one, you know. You see, woman like a them there, you have to put them in a them place and no. You that they face her now and say, listen me. Remember say your ex, now you're done. So any woman that see me would not come cross the line.
You think a little bit of time I hold him and talk to him and say, leave me alone. Right now, my shadow don't follow me so much.
Now you have to shut him 2 backs because if you were talking to him in a year, you shut him 2 backs.
I no beat woman. That's my talent in life. I can't beat woman no matter what they do me.
That's a true
I can't
thing.
hurt them.
You can't beat them, but they will beat you. Though. I understand. I understand. They will beat any woman that come on you, but you can't beat them.
Bro, that's not right.
And you know that you have to spend Dr. Bill. Though.
Spend with Dr. Bill. Who? Next time if you ever touch somebody, I call police on him. Oh, my top fight, you know?
Yeah.
My top fight with woman, my top load up my mouth. If me see him come round, all you have
Every day she a boss. Say she not have to work. Right? She not have to work.
Mm-hmm.
Her man or her mother can take care, can buy her, can send her money and she buy burger and Popeyes.
Yes.
So who you think you matter? No must who?
You know how long me and want burger, much as want Popeyes, much as
Alright.
take my money and give my ex, not even my woman.
You see, this is when you talk to her, you say for this makes you work. Then tell her and say, alright, you what take care of you. But depends on the type of money you get a month time. No, you know, work them way there. You know, work them way there. You class them. I'm the way you're going to do the new one. If I see anything, you're going to make a new one, sit down and say, your mother can take care
I
of it.
think mother not ever before. You
Make them work.
go see how me deal with this.
You don't spoil woman.
No man, sometimes one forget spoil and sometimes one forget money. Now all the while.
No,
but
let me think.
someone-
As a bigger brother, I'm tell you something. Woman, she get spoiled, you know. But you have a way or you spoil woman. Clothes, yeah. Me understand the woman want clothes once a week.
Yeah.
You can buy that once a week. Food, necessary, look necessary thing.
Yeah.
But not every day. How can you take time that? You go buy clothes today, you go buy clothes tomorrow, you go buy clothes the next day. What do you think? One shopping man.
All me answer is, you worry about it wrong. My ex and my ex for a reason. She get X out of my life and my thing mother now. You see me? And the woman me and them are proud, I just me and them.
All me do I put it on your yard, you know. Remember, you know, the ex did tell me, say, when me tell her if you go look at work, he tell me, say, he can left my brother and go back and yard, go sit down, make his mother take care of him.
So I'm making like that. I'm making
His mother will give him money.
I'm making the hinka around. Me and him left and he can't go back in place.
You must know, you know.
No, me no know. If me did know, I would have know. I know, me no know, but me ask.
If it's, me no want, alright, me no want to tell you the truth. Me no want the new one deal like how your ex deal.
You can't that.
Tell us, say, are you alone and next thing I chat to Ray, and I chat to Day, and I chat to the bike man up. So you have to use this. And I come out check like a man in time go so. You have to focus on your brain.
That's how woman can sell. See me know my thing mad enough. Like me I tell you, no matter how much mad girl me deal with, my thing go always madder than them. And that me I tell you about my bro. So no matter if you see me ex shot me ex woman or an ex.
Do like me. Let's keep a one woman. Right too, no matter what happen.
You mean they think they have one woman? You think you have one woman? If me start cast on you, you know one woman. That's true, me no informer.
But me keep it down for the load up. I have a one woman, but the rest they don't know who I'm the woman. Because me don't want a problem by woman have to stay out of the spotlight. Nobody not really know my woman.
So I go still.
Because I love my woman.
True, me I know informer still. You go down great business. But big up.
Listen, just balance the shit. Just balance, man.
Respect man for putting for me girl. But me I tell her man, that what happened last night.
I see you cut up everything.
Oh, you know what I said? I do want to chat about. I want to me go for a bush, me I chop down some land and sit. Then me hear some bush a ruckle. When me look, now girl me see in a bush I look for me, I hide and watch me. I fling my shit off fine, but two me fling it up. Me fling it and cut my finger.
So when me ask you a question now, I know you land until left for weird and clean up.
So what me do with it?
So you have plan to take you over yourself?
I plan to clean the land. You can't have land and not clean it.
Alright, all me I want you. My talk to you still, but stay far from her.
I talk to him, tell him to go in yard.
Because I notice that you are invisible or you are text her same way in a one view and this and that.
Tell her to go in yard.
Yeah, I do. I make you feel like say she in a relationship same way.
But when he send me message, me no open it.
She show me it.
But me no respond.
She show me say you text her. And I talk about wife free now. Why you good? No, you don't do that, man. You ignore that.
I just with that make woman tell her lie to her. And if I time a woman them you know wife up them have you as clone to both. As me say a thing, I know informer.
No man, you better maybe a clone than be a pestilent in our woman life. You have to understand that. You better be a clone. Right now, your ex is just more than a clone, you know. Your ex are the whole circus. Because she has spin you around, so I tell her say man that the man is not there. And then I tell her say yeah that.
Spin you know hear me tell her say me left him alone and she a follow me up you know. You know so this morning me a walk. Me a man a walk a come.
If me and my brother, I could have chopped you, you know.
But me no business.
I use something, but me could have do it. But
me no business.
I left it alone.
You know,
because me I tell myself, say, you know what, me nah, this no brother like that.
You know, understand.
You know it alone.
Understand what me I say.
Because I say, you're not in energy, no, torture. So I say, oh.
All the while I can't do it. Me have to work, you know. And every day, sometime coffee, sometime tea, and every day I church.
Remember somebody want me? Can't tell me anything you want me.
Keep yourself, now go over back.
Then man, sleep with the two guys walking.
Alright.
Papa, good morning.
A long time I see how you come
Me
from.
there, I know. I come to talk to you about your brother.
Come like me a counselor. Me a counselor?
You know, counselor with your David elder brother. I'm supposed to can talk to you about things when I do and me don't
Listen,
like.
once you have my brother left, me and I know talking about my brother for do.
Left? Probably in a female we left, but me not left that. Me see me do a little man or something earlier. But I pretty don't know, say I true me don't have a thing for me. Why me not running through the girl?
You see, one thing we don't know woman. Not because you see a man with a woman and walk come down, you have to be a woman.
I'm woman because then tell me, he say I'm baby. And she did it like say she want to cuss me. Cuss me for my thing.
So
Me and David not left. And me have to get back that boy.
Let me ask you a question.
Else him life, I got in a misery.
Let me ask you a question. I'm my brother, right? Right? Mm-hmm. And if he left you, me have to give him a beer later for that.
Why?
Because me would never take up a woman like you. You're too toxic, mama.
Bye-bye.
Me see the boy down a party and you jump squeegee to bush.
Am I man?
I watch him.
Me and watch him.
Mama,
Because
you
he's
have to do
good.
better.
But watching him.
You have to do better.
The thing I don't like is that the girl do not have no
Me
little.
have a little house party. And you jump through the door. Me not to know how many latch the door you push come in. Mama, you have to do better. You can't do that, no man.
Well, listen to me. Tell your brother say. We stop talking to the girl with him have and come back to me.
Alright, you see,
Because me better for him.
you have to make me the promise here. You see, if me talk to my brother to come back to you, you have to make him can have 100 girls out there.
Why? Why? But never tell us I want him to have 100 girls out there. I want him to have me alone. Me alone. Me alone.
Mama, you alone can't hold one man. You have to make somebody else get it too. You want your hold done? You hold for your rest while other girl hold out there dig out.
No.
When we come back to you, you feel a good grip. Every night, I'm on the pan every night. You go wear out.
Come out, cause you don't know nothing.
It's just
you don't know nothing. That
Shut
tell
your
you
mouth.
that.
It's just like riding a bike. One day, the tire going done.
So, Papa, where basically you try to say?
If you want a man stay in your life, allow him to do what he want to do out the road. As long as he might come back to you.
He's not come back. He's not coming back. You know, me I'm going to St. Thomas because he must come back in my life.
What did you say? Where you go?
Same thing I just say. St. Thomas, me they go. David have to come back here, so.
Mama, I know what you talk about.
So me never say no hobby, no. Me say me go down a St. Thomas that me say me go do. Never say me I go hobby.
My last woman go to St. Thomas. For me not have no money left in my pocket. Me just have issue also. So if you are going to St. Thomas, that means that my brother you plan to go there.
Don't tell the boy I say me not hobby nobody. Me just want him to come
Listen
back
to
in
me,
my
Mama.
life.
Our church, me go and get saved, you know. So you see, if you go over there, man, remember, say the blood against, you know, with Jesus, you know. You know that.
But me never tell me I got no hobby man, Papa.
So what you got St. Thomas go do?
Don't worry yourself. We have to deal with something. Cause David must come back in this life.
No, the man alone.
Me not left him alone. Me
The
not,
man
you know
have a
what?
reason why
You know
he left
what?
you.
If you told me, you know what? Me not going to St. Thomas. You know what I'm going to do? Me, I go cook some stew peas.
Just
And
imagine
give you, they give him, because he not take it from me, you know. Me I go
the
give
blood
you.
of Jesus against you, you're bright. Listen to me, me not give him stupid, my brother, not like that. Look on this now, a little slim girl take away your man, right? Look at bumper, she not have none. Look on it. You might have look a flitter's breast left, yes, but she is the same. You might bore up your nose and tattoo up yourself so you can get back my brother because of that. That no work, mama. You see, if you didn't want my brother, you wouldn't do all of that. My brother don't like when time girl bore up. He like a natural girl.
So that's why I'm going to ditch out of my life and gone over there, so.
Yeah, because you got bore up.
But they can't come off.
Huh?
So the person they can come up, but they can't come off. So I'm going to get it back.
Mama, I'm going to teach you something.
Me want about David in my life, but that me they tell you.
It's when a man don't want you, you don't try to push up yourself, else you go and get knocked. Load the man alone.
Papa, I done a long chatting right here, so. But you see me not get back, David, you know I go see. What me go do?
We can ask you a question.
Yes, Papa.
What
Ask the question.
about you and such man?
It's such one I talk about.
Me never tell my brother about that, you know.
Because the nigga I'm a friend, dude. What wrong with you?
Mama, me not call that friend.
Where call he?
Because one
Where
foot,
call he?
when me did push the door, one of your jaw's foot down, and the next one up on your foot.
So my friend. How are this? Stop watch me.
So mama,
Stop watch me.
I whisper my woman could in our house with a man, and one foot and jaw's foot down. And talk about friend, I lick out your
My
teeth.
friend, probably see the jobs with done, but then you see we not action. I'm a friend. Me I go with my business because I must David dog the road.
If I never my brother, you'd have to give me peace.
Yeah.
If I never my brother, if I didn't a friend, you'd have to give me peace. I would have go back and tell him to me end up.
Yeah,
jump your
informer,
backside.
long time. Just do what me say if you do. Do what me say if you do. Just talk to your brother and tell him to come back here. It's just so because me miss
What?
him and I want him back.
What?
I'm going to go with my business.
He come here this morning and we talk to him already. What? I give him a good talking. What?
Okay, good. Good. And talk
What?
to him again. Talk to him again. Alright.
What? What? What, my brother?
One here now.
Tired man.
Why? What tired of?
Walking.
Alright man, when I reach out back, I buy one big fat jelly. Now go walk.
Yes,
Fly away,
believe.
go fly a nice spaceship.
Right.
Right.
Why me not like your ex there?
I don't like her neither.
She too toxic.
I don't know, so I don't even like chat about him. I say every time I talk about her, I start to feel sad. I like her. A girl let me feel like a girl that will set up my life and try to do things to make me and people fall out.
And it's say that you want to do.
Yeah. All towards you start hear things from bush and say, oh, girl, left him that be a dirty man. Then you start fear side say, girl, and that's why you go. And that be a problem.
No, I not make them sick of nobody, me left you. But boy, I remember last time when me did a walk and we broke her up.
Yeah.
You know, what if she did have some on her?
Let me why you made the hassle.
Like knife and so, and he started trying nothing.
Oh gosh, baby. Oh gosh, man. You shouldn't even think that girl if you have knife.
What it up her?
You can't have knife, but you can't use it.
Well, if you use me, no, me don't go in knife me, man.
I mean, not you have to go in there, you can't use it, man. You're not brave, so. As I said, you're mad, but you're not mad than me.
That's it, so.
I tell her, man. Not even if you drop.
Travis. Are you sorry that do me?
You can't leave me alone.
Why me I go leave you alone anytime we want to get back together?
Ramona, I don't want to deal with it. Why you can't leave me alone? You see me with my woman, you don't have no respect.
I want this. Sorry, me I disrespect for she. Me I did that with you.
Mama, start right here. Say, you know, say you're not right. You know, say something.
Let me don't right.
We don't leave the man alone.
Me not leave him alone. Me not leave him alone. David, you me come here to talk. Me come to talk to you. Go back up.
Please don't deal with my woman the entire way, Mona. Mona, me I try to put up on my level with Mona. You left me alone. Why you can't do that? Why you can't see me happy? Why you just feel follow me and I try to make my life sad?
Alright then, David. Like you don't want to deal back, right? You're not gonna live happy if me can't happy.
You can't make me not happy.
Why not? Why not? Me I gonna make your life in a misery. Me I gonna make your life in a misery if you don't come back in my life.
Me not come back in your life. As a matter of fact, stay far from here. When you see me down, call to me a road. And top try style me woman a road to Mona.
Alright, David, watch and see. You see how you girl? Not top walking man if your face not get bust up. We don't talk to you.
One way I go.
We don't talk to you.
You know there's something wrong with that girl, like?
Girl is sick in her head. Every time I see me, it just make me feel sad and upset with life.
Yeah, no. How old is that?
Oh, brother, this one man.
My brother?
Yeah. I'm brother, this one man.
So, him look so and you look so. What in the favor? Him more uglier.
No, not say that to my brother. I'm a different father, man. I'm not ugly. I'm beautiful in my own way. But me, my brother still.
Mama,
Hi, brother.
me know why I. If I never one thing, if I never my brother, I would have just got round there and load up a shit.
You do
In a
already.
bag and just backsy over your empty ass sense. What
Anyways,
you always have
I told
funny
me that,
man?
And I joke him and make me. But anyways, I'm gonna start off on the wrong foot. On the wrong foot. Go on the right foot. So yeah, this is my brother, this is my girlfriend.
Don't call me no this either.
This is my brother, this is my girlfriend.
Don't call me no this, address me properly.
This is Popeye.
okay.
No. Don't call me no this. Just say me and your brother. I and your girlfriend that.
Yes.
Right, good.
My feelings boss all the same, but no, I'm doing. But yes.
Your money do you buy gold chain and give woman out and come over here, baby, you want $100 for buy drink.
Brother, look at my slippers. Look at my slippers. You think make me live no good life. Look how my slippers dirty. I thought me not have to wash it.
You know what it's the come to talk to you about? You know what one day here? The girl.
Hey, wait. May I go inside?
You know, man as man, huh? Hey, keep on.
Me so
see you later.
Alright.
Keep on, see you later. Hey, girl. Come see me go to St. Thomas, you know.
I mean, go to St. Thomas. What do you St. Thomas? What do you St. Thomas? What do you talk about?
You ever hear a song where saying, go to St. Thomas, go check Auntie Dana? Alright. That's she about to go do.
We are talk about you know, but anything she feel like she can do to me, I not believe in that.
She a plan to cook stew peas give. But I mean my child if you carry come get any day. You see me carry stew peas come here come give you that she way.
Any day, you take 2 pieces from she and carry come give me.
As long as you pay me go collect it. But you know you eat it.
Oh, a loyalty, a money your loyalty depend on.
No, God, me I tell you as a brother, me I tell you say if you
You
give
shouldn't
me
bring you come in the first place, you should have take your name yourself. That you should have do. What you want to bring come me? Post me I eat that time in me.
I wonder if you hear what you just said a while ago. Me tell you say, if you see me come here with 2 peas, just dash it away. Because me I collect money if you carry come. And me I make sure me chop at 200,000 off her.
That go on.
Me tell
I
you.
say, anything she believe in, I mean, I believe in that can't hurt me.
But me say you look at her secret.
Look who.
Me say you talk to
that
her.
is
Because she a tell me say you're not on the left. She say, in your mind, you think you're on the left.
In my mind, me have one Benz, and then I saw you go. I saw you go, so I not get the point where I try make she feel so we not left in her mind, but the reality are different. So
No, listen to me. Me know say you're not texting in one view.
what kind of one view?
Oh no, texting in one view. And you have to cut out that.
My youth,
Make up your mind.
you come back with the same feelings when you are reason about anything just in a one view. I must me and send him one picture. So look, I make a finger, tell him to leave me alone. What kind of one view?
You like her?
No. Me never see somebody me not like so.
So why you know just tell her say you're done with her and understand that?
You tell her where you come like. You know I see you a scratch. But just I say something over and 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 over. You say you get annoying and you that.
You remember Raja? You remember me used to talk to Raja and his woman make him right off. And you know, live to tell till the day. And me and you alone there to live to tell the story.
Me I tell us me and the girl ain't nothing. I mean you can't believe my side of the story.
I have a feeling, you know. Say now, listen to me I say. He only come here so and go here so and gone so. And you know why me go sit so? You hide something from me.
Hide what?
You hide something,
You
man.
want to hide from you?
Bullshit.
What?
Me hear one little rumors, you know. I need little rumors me hear, you know, my brother. You know what me I run with it.
Tell me no, let me hear.
You lucky me never reach one Popeye news with it.
What the rumor there go?
Eh?
What the rumor there? I mean I know about it.
Me hear say you breathe her. Yeah. A Popeye news me they will call and talk to the talk to him and tell.
Who tell them sitting there? Brother, if me right now there so, if God make the oxygen when me breathe, change the name from oxygen to Ramona, me not breathe. Me just kill myself. I mean me not do no type of breathing with him.
You do it, man. You do it. Them say entire rumor spread. Everything a go so, it dey go so.
You tell us some rumor me hear about you, I not tell about it. Come here, fear some of them best player do. But you hear some me a breathe that.
Yeah.
Me a clown, you see me with big red shoes and big tomato on nose.
You don't have that to be a clone. You can be a clone invisible without the suit. You see clone without the suit. And the wickedest clone on earth, me I tell you that.
I tell you
You see clone in a suit now, me understand so work him a work. But when you take out one job and you put on the suit, you're bigger than him.
I tell you what I realize with you. You like hear things and you like say things. And you like things that me eat that. You know trusting on me. Me I tell us me and the girl if the girl come right, that's alright now, me stone him.
What's the woman name again? Because I only 2 times I see her.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
I said him.
I'm really so still him. Call him by right name, I might be me come. It come like we not go get into each other.
Why right now?
Riri or Riona.
Who?
Riona? Just call him Riri.
Really? Oh, what kind of name that?
Just left you alone, no, man.
No, my brother. It's from Mona to Reef. You better need to call him Reef.
Like fooling me, not true.
How get that name, young miss?
Which name?
Riri.
Wait, the farm birth paper.
Jesus Christ. Are you first and last name?
Yes.
See what I try to show you? From trash to the garbage bin.
So where I tell him to do?
Huh?
Where I tell him to do?
No, something I explain to him. But anyway, I tell him it's a nice young girl and the light that keep it up. Anything what you do, keep on doing it.
Okay.
Anything at all you're doing, you keep on doing it. If you blow balloon, you blow balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Right.
And if you pop it, you pop it. But anything you do, keep doing it. But I don't like how you have the cut on your finger.
I'm gonna tell you how me get cut earlier, man.
Come and tell me like
I'm not lying. Anything you say.
them the and their finger and you know man. Them the and the chica you understand what I say? So one hand of the teeth down there. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Mm-hmm. I understand what I say.
So anyway, you're cooking now.
Cook.
Can you cook?
Yes, me can cook.
What you can cook?
Anything you give me to cook, me can match it.
How you cook tin mackerel?
I can't tell you, I can show you.
But you can cook it though.
Right.
Mama, tin mackerel not cook.
Okay, do it.
You don't cook already.
I had it up.
You just tell me you can show me how to cook it.
I had it up. So I had me go hat it up, show you.
Yes.
You ever turn calm
Tell
in?
this. It's a very, I'm gonna eat that. Go on my house, come on. A good youth, but you love it, you fool me. And we chat you all day. Go and make some tea for me, come here that.
How run you run program to find out if that don't love you like how your ex love you, come see your ex. Every day your ex party, she a mad out, you know.
You know, say, me never yet come in your yard and ask your business or go in.
No, cause my business open up like a Bible. You see it.
That's your problem. Everybody know your business. And you are trying to make everybody know business. But tell us, me and the girl knowing and nothing. Why you can't believe that? Why it's so hard to believe? Say, alright, the little brother, him and this girl did have something, but now they don't have nothing.
Alright, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Why you not breed one of them and make them know who is the right
She
one?
is the one. No question not be there.
It now be the right one until you put a ring on the finger. Not teach you something in life. There's no woman is the right one until you put a ring. I could have one popcorn ring. You put it on their finger and make them know that them are the right one.
I'm telling her that with you know you ever try tell me things where you feel like me for do. You ever try program me. What your woman they would ring on your finger? You see a one woman you have, me see you with 100 woman. I mean, I see none of them would ring on finger. I mean, I tell her foot ring on finger. I told me I no informer, you know, that you know.
Alright, me go tell you. Alright,
informer.
let me tell you why I tell you that, my brother. Me understand, say yes, me have a woman live with me 100 out there. But me I try to guide you from the part where me there right now. You see when me there no good. Cause when you take up yourself and I buy the 100 of them, a burger, 100,000 that I had. That's something I try to protect you from that. You get a woman and she says she like you, and she says she not no man. She although me see her pan and look at mission on time and me never tell her, but now me have to tell her. Yeah, me did push you door one time and see him with the 1 foot and drawers down. I mean, didn't tell her, but now me feel like confess.
Boy, if you tell her the truth, there's nothing you can tell me to make me left my woman alone. You know. Nothing in this world.
No, me can't tell her to let your woman because she seems like a good woman without being tasty. But the only problem you have right now, you know, if your ex be careful of her. That's all me I want every day.
Alright. Thanks for putting me on me yard. Thanks for telling me about your stupid where you have in the car. Yeah, because you're not putting no stupid over here. If you feel bad, bring stupid over here. Tell you that. But anyways, I'm going to make money. Thank you for the conversation. But you see, advice where you give me, take it yourself too. If your woman a yard, and they don't mind if you get to that one.
You know, to tell her the truth, the woman a yard, you know, so 100, you know, she's pregnant. Yeah. And feel like a chicklet. So if you can't breed a woman, maybe you want to go and take care of her.
Alright.
But
Just make sure say you breed the woman. If you can't breed him, just make sure say you breed for you. Pick up yourself.
you might have a point, but after me hit.
Riri, yeah, welcome friend. Yeah, welcome. So, girl. So, what going in your life? I know. Girl, be a teen. Why? Just stressful. What going on? Tell me. So, remember I tell about the boy me I talk to? Which one of them? The one. Me don't know him. I still need to know him, but let me tell you what going on.
Tell me what going on.
So I don't know, I say have this ex-woman. The girl mad. The girl obsessed with me. Come here. The girl, I don't even know if it toxic. The girl not leave him alone. Girl, let me tell you, one day me and him walk go down the road. And we woke up on the girl. Me didn't know say ex. I want to see how the girl be keep on it. Board about how you want him, man. Anyhow,
How you do? Me Jesus. A big embarrassment.
Big
Big
embarrassment.
embarrassment.
And
Nobody
then
can
again,
do
the
me
girl
that.
say me feel left the boy. Cause anyhow, me not left the boy. We not gonna live happy in the relationship. What kind of something then?
So you do left the boy?
Yeah, eat that.
Oh. Come on, say if you're puppy show, girl.
But girl, me don't know what to do. I can't bother. Every
I wish I
time,
could help you, but I can't help you. You
every
have to tell us
time the girl see me, the girl that cause problem in my life. The girl not leave we alone, make we enjoy our life.
I have my own stress, so what up your stress, mama? Hold it up. Don't make you bring your down, cause I
I
understand.
don't know what to do.
The man I make you woman know say the relationship done and you move on.
But in a fear brain, the relationship done.
Well, you can't too blame her still, cause some did somebody and me, him say the relationship done, but I me say when he done, so we can't.
Mama.
None of it tell us if he done.
Mama, can't bother, man. Every
Girl,
time.
stay with the man, don't left the man, don't nobody left
All I
the
go
man.
to the, all I go to the boy brother that cause problem.
And you just sit down and not doing nothing about it. If I never remember that do something about
The
it.
boy say me feel low her. She head not good. Something for do me can't me go low her. But you see any day she ramp with me and my man, me know me dem mash up her face.
You must know, your business too hard for me now. You can't help with the situation, but
So girl, what go on otherwise?
girl, not too go, I'm just there here broke as you. You don't have no money.
Broke too.
If you broke, you have man. No, so I better let the man there. Come here and say I'm man here broke so.
Babes,
Eh?
see you left the tea pan stove. You know like
Hey,
what
man,
you
Jesus Christ. Girl, this is my friend. Wait, let me go to the paper. Wait there.
Well, you can't cook and take up, man.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Nice to
David.
meet you. I'm Kayla.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Are you not there?
Yeah, me and her there now. Something.
Oh.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man. But she can't believe in one long little life for me to look at tea for me. I sleep and I make me feel like me say, well, I'm gonna get no tea yet. When me look on the pot, look in the pot, and me have to throw water in there. You want come on, mother, through you there. I mean, come on still, but I don't want the tea.
So you're better business, Mustafa?
We see him, Kayla.
Yes, I don't deal with my friends, so you don't know so she can't really cook like that.
I'm not making make tea. I throw water on fire.
So each time you take come out and talk about that, why you never lock it off yourself to come out here in an argument?
So, you know, so you come like Kayla, you come like...
No, me a go me don't argument with you enough. Me just know you and me don't argument with you. Because each time you take out to go embarrass the girl in front of me, you could have take off and go drink your tea, man.
Yeah, and him no friend.
Yes, so?
Yeah, go tell nobody. Say he can't make tea for you, man.
You know what me a got me hand. You're lucky. Come here and tell me to come talk at your boy. Tell my friends say me gone. Me will link her tomorrow on holiday. Me can't take you.
You come like you wanna really friend them and eat that like him. You tell him to make tea in your friend beds. What's your name again?
Kayla.
Alright.
Me need to talk to you about what happened the other day, yeah. With the tea situation, I come over there. You don't say you have to balance at all. You have to deal with that, so. You can do the situation better.
No man, I don't like me doing load them part. Me know saying what I do with nobody. I just show me tell them how long to make it tea. And then you see what I do I chat and want to look at tea. So
She get distracted because simple go look about you and you have to go because I did feel away. And then you want to come bully me down with the mouth.
no, I'm not like that. You must feel like a bully me. What you say?
No, I'm not bully me. I have to defend my friend because I'm my friend and you come and disrespect her.
Well,
About tea a dry out. You could have go look on it. Why you never go look on it?
I look on it, make me know say it a dry out.
So you look on you lock it off then. You're telling her the house and wait till she come here talk to her about the situation.
But me and her talk after.
Suppose me not never good friend. Like here, me can't go road saying can't make tea and him man this and him man that.
No, but if she and I never good friend, you couldn't come on my yard.
Who tell you that?
Because I said no man away, you know. You see any one of my woman friend them, I tell him say yo, me not tap for hand no friend, but not every friend a good friend. So because you rate up on a level, and that's why me I apologize to you too, because I apologize to she already about my behavior. I say, you know, somebody could have deal with it better for true. I mean, I make up because I say, you're not a friend now. I tell you again, say, sorry, my Mr. Sitting way.
Apology accepted.
Yeah.
Anyways, come find out that's something you want to talk to you about the family. I'm going to address. Yeah, your ex thing. How that I gonna say me nothing in your business in a month? Yeah, your ex thing.
Well, you're not small, not my business for true. But what do you mean, how it a go?
Like, me I hear see your ex still one time. You know, your ex has stressed out my friend. You see my friend look mad and puny now. She did fat the other day, you know. I have on weight.
Me not tell you lie, my ex want me back for true. And I understand, cause look at me, but
Me I look for you.
yeah, that's
So me not see what she want you back for.
Can't have it up and scale down this one. Watch me here.
I mean, you see nothing. Where the left glasses?
None of because me just nasty nothing.
Well, maybe I know you.
But then if you clear if control the ex man, if you control ex, I know I don't want to eat. Yeah.
me not deal with her.
Oi! How are you going to so?
Me want to go to some.
How are you going to so? This is
I want to
close.
say.
No, yo.
This is very my one. Hold on, from take you away from me.
Girl, what can I say?
I don't me man.
So now do you so? Okay, let's
I'm a
start.
friend man. What you do?
You know, no sense, girl.
Now my friend need to hear this. See like a mad girl ex is here.
As a matter of fact,
All
I'm
right.
call police. You can't let my life alone,
Me
man.
nah let your life tell us say that you nah go live happy
Make you
until
can't
we
leave
get
me
your back.
alone.
Me nah let you alone.
Make you can't
You get tired of me in your life.
Mona, leave me alone. You come like pestilence, you come like you plague. Why you can't leave me alone? Me and the girl attack. No, you can put me in a problem. Why you can't leave me alone? Me don't want nothing to do with you.
What you mean by no one nothing to do with
No
me?
want nothing to do with you. No want nothing to do with you. Leave me alone, girl. Stop following me up. Leave me alone.
Just remember me to tell you here.
Leave me alone.
Come here. Alright, I'm a crap. You say make me roll. I'm here talk to your man. About the situation, about the key and it's something, you know. He look at dirty thinking ex come beat me. You say make girl beat me, you know. The girl see me and beat me. Mama, the girl big. Big, that big and me small.
I said, my friend, we must book a girl. So what you say about the situation?
No. No? All your man that up the top and chat to the girl like saying I'm busy with the girl. Me tell about man, you know. Me tell about man. And no, you go beat back the girl can't make the girl beat me.
Come on,
Come,
no girl,
Brad.
too much friend.
Yeah, you.
See me?
You in that?
I'm David, my boyfriend, brother.
How many years?
You know say the girl and the boy don't left. You know say you beat up my friend?
Yes. Make me see me talk to the man decent.
Right now, she
the girl come and jump me. Boom.
Yes.
She beat me up and I got the car back. Me I got the car back. Me not tell you bit of front of body.
Oh.
Me got the car back. Come on.
She beat you, hold on.
Yes. Me got the car back.
Remember,
Wonderful.
oh shit, me I got to know.
Listen to me.
Come here to defend my friend.
God, girl, we acid to do.
I see do.
Me no business. You want beat her back. Girl, you know bad. You can answer from.
Listen to me. From me and you.
But she beat me. Me not do it.
You ever hear about St. Thomas? Eh? You ever hear about St. Thomas?
You don't defend me, girl. You talk about come on. You defend me, not your man.
You acid girl with acid with. You can't manage
Mama,
acid.
when you show that the acid they find your nose move from big to small.
I never thought you see you
Yo.
man. You said me just know you. Me tell you, me just know you. Me not like you, you know. Me just know me not like you.
Lord God, you got acid with come.
You talk about acid, girl. I hear a man. Turn up and go defend me.
Listen to me, as a brother-in-law, I'm a
You're not
good,
good.
I'm a good friend that.
As a from today, me I cut your off. Cut your
What I wanna
off
do?
clean.
You know rate me again?
Me not rate you again.
Guess what, I'm not TikTok. So I'm trying to rate me. Don't rate me, I'm not
Girl.
TikTok. Don't do it.
Me not rate you again.
You!
What?
If
I'm
you
your
think
combo.
you're bad, go up there.
You want to go there?
When she done hold you,
Me not
Then
busy
ca-
what you want. Me
then
not busy
can't
what
find
you want.
your bone.
Hey, me not for that no girl. I told me not eat for a man check make she beat me. I mean I go you know. Me check her one other time. But not to them yet. What's that one here? What is that one here?
my brother, The two of them just cuss.
Your man cannot be there make your girl beat me.
They cuss me like a dog.
So you know, tell them some try party fight.
So, me not hear say any girl did up there so for hands on, hands up.
Yes, a chat.
What kind of chatting?
Me not know.
Baby, come out the road. She don't want to carry her fast. Nothing like that.
No, you get your man from girl. Left the man.
Girl, me and your friend there.
You can chat to him. I want the man.
You're bright. Me don't want the man.
You want the
Me
man?
don't want the man. You see before your man back me, you know your man do? Tell up and make
Alright,
you beat
boss.
me. He take one while before he help me.
You don't know what, baby. I'm confused. Shocked.
No. You know, don't answer this one. You see that one? The one that runs for that Sheen product.
What?
You come like one of Sheen material when time you touch it. Phew!
Yeah, me go hold me mouth. It's to me respect elders, me go hold me mouth. You hear? Talk to your brother-in-law. Talk to your brother.
He won't boss me can't talk to him.
Okay, can you come argue with me, no? Come argue with me.
He won't boss.
Can me be open up my mouth in this today, you know? I fight me a fight, I mean I look to fight something like a you. Oh.
I feel like predator.
You know what?
You
I want
get what
to
I'm
eat
saying?
here.
Hold on, alright. What's on?
Boss.
I realize everybody in a some look of contention, but what me I say, I don't know that call just try to be on good vibes. The girl beat
We do.
him. Well I know, bro. The girl beat him, I know.
Yes, she should have.
Well I know.
You know what? Me a come go me yard. Me a come go me for me pep in the man neck. Right.
Come on.
You dirty like.
Well, if you can't beat you up, go. Go wash your jaws. Go.
Oh. Me I never rode me the pan. Me live up a show as I clean the dirty and bread for you the dirty man.
Just, you know, like when time papaya, when you bought papaya, say, look, black or Yankee. You see you? Oh, you want to go on?
Alright. What's up with there, so? Going easy back. Yeah. So I'm going with a baby differently. Oh, yeah, alright, do it. Alright, mom. We just slow and easy. Just take care of yourself and make sure you're alright. Let me call you back here. Alright. Girl, make them move. Let me call you back here.
Sometimes we can.
Sit down.
I don't even want to sit down. I'm tired.
Shut up, sit down, mama.
Right now, I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down in mood. Yeah, this me big time you sturdy. After me, I left foot of the yard, say I go beat back the girl, you know.
Why you hear the man talk about acid? I don't want a girl that's not acid on me. Cause I don't want a fit.
Tell the man there.
Shot a girl.
Oh. Tell the man there fear beat with him, bust mouth.
For me,
I told me no because I never take him on yesterday. I get way. I'm still feel. I'm gonna me say me ball last night, you know. Me ball self from me know myself on this earth. A girl never beat me yet, I'm taking, you know. I never know what to get beat up, you know.
let's say I'm gonna be back a girl. That's easier to know a girl acid me because I say a gun me fire.
Mama, times are far off fire there. She can't do yesterday, me no business. I hear a man and me get beat up. And you the girl should have beat because I hear a man. I mean, the girl, man.
The girl can't beat me. The girl afraid of
The
me.
girl, hello.
Cause you know some me tear off in your face.
The girl not afraid of you. We can't even tear off your face and go in the studio. You turn back, you fall back, you turn back, go back with your man.
I never see girl.
You just understand me not come like people relationship. Because you see how you sturdy after me don't get beaten, you know who you choose. You choose your man over me. You hug up your man.
No,
you hug up your man and say, come on. I saw you go with your man.
No.
Let me up there by
No,
myself.
I didn't. You want to turn up, me tell me say, come on, babes. And me say, girl, come on, me ready. You turn up there, argue with man. You see the man mouth boss.
I never that happen, man. That me remember. Me remember you telling your
You
man.
remember what you want to remember, yeah?
You don't do that follow me go up so see girl they buck me when me dog go up. You know you
Girl
can't beat me
can't
again.
buck you. Just a gun, me fire.
Hello. Mama, you talk about gun. Talk about gun. All gun you think you like? You sick under there so you fire gunshot down there? And the gun you talk, which gun you talk about?
Gun with your man, boss.
Mama, you don't have no man where they fire no gun.
Mama.
So you talk about gun.
Mama.
What?
Remember say something me have you know.
I'm a fire.
No.
I fire?
No.
It's about shot, they go boom, boom.
No.
What kind of gun you have done to them?
No, me have no gun. Mama, me have no gun now, yes sir.
We have.
But if me go to the road right now, I'm see a gun man. Me just fling it upon him and get one gun.
How going out there, son?
What babes?
How going, baby? What kind of gun me or not talk about?
No she? No she talk about gun?
What kind of gun you talk about, baby? I'm
Gun.
calling someone said to come on me yard.
No, I want girl, I know say one girl down the road have gun. I may tell my friend say a girl have gun.
That's true. That's true.
A girl have gun I walk with.
Gonorrhea. Baby, you can't par with them girl there. Them girl
No.
there. If you have gonorrhea and you have to rub upon you and you catch it and give me an eye, come out and place, you know.
Aye, I'm not gonna ride he said gun.
No chat about no gun in my yard, no fear of the police.
Me ain't got that.
You don't like gun?
You say what everything must
You don't like gun?
probably your man a fire the gunshot with the you say no. I think you got a gun and then you got him got it.
What? Where they?
You talk about gun, you know.
No, me say gun. The girl, remember I said the girl had the gun down the road. Then the girl that walk on with the gun.
Alright, can we change the topic? Because me not like this. Anytime I start talk about too much about that G word, I start the police on my place, next thing me I
But
wake
you
up.
want to remember say you're a black man too.
Yes, so
Right.
yes, one man like me when police come
Me not too
that's
sorry
simple.
long. What you plan to do about your ex?
What do you mean I'm planning for that?
Mama, my mom bust this man. Me slide and drop and bust it. And me let the frost. Not the boss there, the other boss. Me not going down nothing. When the man dissed me yesterday and the girl beat me yesterday, every time I one, me drop this morning. Because me cry about it and me slide and drop. We plan to do the ex
Alright, if you tell her the truth,
stress her out.
if you tell her the truth, me can't run about it. Because you know girls all over my style, because really and truly come clean and say, so me understand, but
Oh, that's why she, as I said, she a man too? She
my
man.
head has been some, but my head now mad them the way there. That girl, me not tell her like right now, me feel like me going to take on a restraining order upon her, or call police on her. And yes, when me take out my phone when she dey have you and I beat her, police me did one call, but
I never see that. You know what I mean? They say, me I get beaten and you turn up so you wait.
no, I saw me turn up a wait. You think say a camera me I take up, but a 911 more call.
Once the girl push me, she a defend me. Cause me and your woman a friend.
No, but it must me finger cut and post me I got thump him now and broke all me other finger.
Use a one yeah.
It's a weekend.
Anyways, we don't left off of that now because I do not want to hear not more about that girl. Because anytime I hear about her, my head sick. She sick me. Cause you see, any day she think she bad, she put her foot in the yard, yeah? And that day they will see me mad now. Cause I got
Remember
tear
the
off her
acid.
face.
Remember the acid? Remember acid?
Mama, you don't feel like a 10 years old.
No, for true. Me not make a mug me by myself. Excuse me. Thank you.
Cause, as we last
Yeah,
said.
nah, this is still there. We have to deal with that. Should be attack the truth still, but the acid.
No, but what she want, boss? Babes, I don't feel like we want to go inside.
I told her, I'm going to get a shot on you. I told me I say. No, I feel your friend, we can't say it.
Y'all are pretty like Tony and see. What's up? Let me get a look at this out. Just roll up the chest in a arm here.
Just what I problem.
I know what me think of that today as chest ball.
What me where you think?
I see a man today as chest ball. One thing and that the ex day.
I love him and I want him back.
Boy man no want you back, so you're there some mad out over him. You know, so many if you make they send some Bellevue patient now you have to check you out. Cause look like you're not writing. The man no want you. Me not inform upon him, but they say you live with the woman. And you still a run him down. Mama, I'm here for you run down. And just buck your foot on the stone and drop in my life. For that if you look out. I'll make you make there a joke now.
Listen to me. Listen to me good. A one man me want and a Davy. Now come here so come tell me about know this and know that. Davy me want. If you don't come here so contact me about Davy, if you say you're going to set the link me and him get back together. Not say nothing to me, brother.
So one question. Me and Davy a friend. To me settling for you and him there.
Yeah,
If I did my friend, me do it.
but I don't like you don't know him. You're not friend to that, but you know him.
But look how long me and look you. Mama, me dash any money upon you right now. If I go borrow loan on a torpedo, me borrow it and spend money upon you, mama. Mama, I walk and me make you drive BMW before me. Not do that, man. Me not like that. You know me love you for a long time. From you little grow up and you never have shape until right now. You're sexy.
Well, that's me want.
That don't like you lie down on a bed stand. Sorry.
You hear me say?
Sorry.
Don't touch me next year. It's not going to be pretty. That be me want and him me want.
Alright, look come on. Me just do that.
One about your business. Yes, me meds, bro.
Don't worry yourself. They always saying if who you want, no want you. And who want you, no want them.
If you want me,
and you
no.
want
If
him
you
and
want me,
you
no.
want you. And me want you and you
Because he
know
not gonna live happy with that the girl there.
you go on with
Alright.
your man stress.
Me no busy one, so go on with your business. That's why me know what people doing business. Cause I know it and don't take it tell me. Go on with your business.
I feel like fuck don't like my bike. Boy, fly.
Look at fat big belly boy, look at pampas belly boy. Don't stop back yourself. I'm going over now.
Bona, come out here, sir. Come out here, sir. Yo, it's see you.
What problem
You
then now?
see you. You see you.
What me do?
Put myself in a problem, you know. You see you. What kind of text that you send from my phone? What kind of text that you send from my phone?
When you can text and send for your phone?
But you would think about if we now. So me ain't never there.
Nobody a come
Me
to
a
me about
ask
this
you a
and come to me
question,
about
don't
that.
walk away from me. Me ain't never there. After every day you come to me, you this, you that, you want new slippers, you want tights, you want this. And me give you my money without saying nothing. And you go look for me and tell me, say, we consider if we there.
Toga,
Girl, don't ramp with me.
Toga. The only
Don't
man in me
ramp with
Abidjan
me.
right now is Davy. Davy.
Who named David?
My ex. He me the Abidjan.
You mean to tell me, say, me there as I waste my time all along? All of that 3 months there, where you near my money, you never know say you have eyes for David. You never know say you have vision for David. Girl, don't play with me, you know. Don't play with me.
Sir, come here. Let me tell you something right now. You just barge in my yard and come and get orders. Me didn't want to say it.
So you have eyes for other man. So nothing not there so between me and you.
I never said
That
nothing
I
there,
say-
so we can make a Toga.
So when you send me the text about you consider
Because
if
my
you there.
mind just confused.
You
It just
yo.
it just upon one
Tell you, you
person.
know, you see from we talk, me tell you say, me is not a youth to play with. You hear me tell you? You think me I'm gonna spend my money, how me gonna do? Fat and foul for mangoes? That you want me do?
Toga, you still not understand where me coming
Understand
from.
what? You're done with that, the boy.
Me not done with him. Me never tell us I'm done with him. That's why I text her that and tell me I consider. Because he's man my mind. He must stress me, he must this, and he must that, and he not come my way. It's like, besides me I go crazy.
You know what I go on now? You know what? Guess what I go on?
Oh, go on.
You see, all of my money when me spend for you, from your toenail come straight up to your ear. I want you give me back every penny. You hear me tell you? You hear me every penny I want you give me back. When me come back over here, you know, give me my money. Remember something, you go mash you up. You think me an easy boy to ramp with? Don't make me get my money.
Wait until me buck in a year.
But
Wait
see me
until
here,
buck
see me here. But me now.
Wait until buck in a year.
Make sure me get my money. You hear me?
You're going to take your money from you. You don't spend it already and it's gone.
Let me come back over here and me not get my money. If me not laughing.
It's not the boy like that. I even me not this man, dirty girl we have over there. Watch me and them over there me I go. Davy! Davidan! Yes, I'm me come to you. Come right out here so I talk to you.
Why you there, me yard? What you do, me yard?
Let me come here there, yard. I want to talk to you. Because you come like here, you love play with fire. So fire come here, yard. You see, because of you, me I get pay disrespect because come the top 10 man money. I thought I want them, I'm done. And when I you me want, I you play hard like you know come to my life. Why problem? She better than me? She better than me?
How me make you a take man money? How me make you a take man money?
Me have to take it to survive. But I you want in my life. When I want the man, just want the money. Where girl there? What's she there?
Worry about me, girl.
But she-
Oh, yo, where you go?
Who want the girl out here to come and mash up her face?
Mash up over
The
face.
girl we are having this
What
so.
kind of girl me having this?
The girl, the little maga string thing. It's no way come like an eagle. Little maga sitting. That. Now mash up her face. Call her out
Make you
here.
come on me yard.
Call her out here,
No,
son.
make you come on me yard and not disrespect me woman and not
That's a woman.
disrespect me.
I like a woman.
You a woman.
Yes.
Brother, me no see no difference with you and the madman them on the road. Me no see no difference. Me not tell no lie. The only thing, your body may be a little bit bigger and you look a little bit better, but me no see. You walk with stick.
Come here, lick down the girl we having at the house. Let me she come out here if you not going at that fear.
Going on.
Yeah, your house fear.
From the day I put you out, you can't put your foot back in this house. Me I tell you
So
that.
we are tell me say.
You can't
Yeah,
come in
because
the
of
house.
she. You don't come back to me.
If me and I left right now, if me find out she have 1,000 man, me still not make.
What she doing me now do?
Woman them.
What she doing me now do? Come and give you good sex. I'm going to give you heads. And you don't want to come to my life? What the problem? She better tell me. Tell me.
That is nothing. Nothing what you do for me, that is nothing. You look 1 and 2 slap you and then you say that is nothing. First thing, you use too much teeth. Me never tell you because I want to hurt your feelings, but let me tell you this. Anything you there so, or did I give me could I get you out of road? It was not, that was not the problem. The problem is upstairs. You're mad in your head. You do things. Look on this now. Me tell you some man you left. You come on me here, you want stick in your hand. You want
How come I girl me come for?
Oh, you don't which girl?
I girl me come for.
Yo.
Let us come for me give you one out of this.
You want who? You clean her and put it. Yo, come go your yard. Come go your yard.
Yeah, go because
Come
of
go
she.
your yard.
I must
Come
come
go
back
your
here.
yard.
I must come back here.
Relax now.
Come now, cause you see, y'all need something me can't bother with. Can't bother with them something. Yeah. Because what's you never there? What if I never there? You gotta tear me, don't come beat me. You need to stop this situation a better. Cause me can't bother with them something. Yeah.
What else me can do?
You need to go get a restraining order against the girl. Cause what if I never there here?
Yeah.
You cannot tear if you don't come beat me.
He couldn't do that.
What if I never there here? You don't know that.
No, what if
You need to say girl mad.
Smoke me been and tell everybody me I tell that and he come like nobody now listen to me. I'm a victim of this situation there, you know.
And if it's
Me
solve
no know
this
what
situation
more
a better,
to do.
cause me don't know what more to
You
do.
go to police boat, you say my ex a follow me up, then laugh off of me and say if me I eat that. What more me can do in a life? Me try to find one nice girl, me find you, me I try to settle down and I make one life out of
Well,
myself.
me go left if you not solve this problem. Like, me can't bother. Me not make no girl come kill me over no man.
You can't left me neither. Always left me. I'm there to do everything for you.
Me tired. Me tired no man. And if you stand up like a man. First, I did pan the road and I reach over we yard. I'm tired, man.
Just give me some time now. To try.
Get some time.
Just
How
remember-
more time you want?
Just give me some time now. Give me some time to try to sort out the situation. Because believe me, I try. Everybody in the world ask me about him and everybody me tell say.
Alright, me I give you 1 day. 1 single day. Come on, come now.
I put back your suitcase. I don't know how you pack up and like ready. I like to go and sell my brother. Just try. Yeah. What else?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Me and Kayla and some other people are got beach. Me I want everyone come.
Yeah, move forward, man.
Alright, so me go all this away from you.
Alright, just give me a minute if you done up this call.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, me I tell him, bro, I just that dog. Like, me can't get rid of it. You know what me I talk about, but.
Every time you late and you say you want to reach a beach early.
Hey, girl, no long more go there.
Jesus Christ, Riri. Riri. Oh, God. Riri, wake up. Help, Riri. Help. Riri, wake up, Riri, wake up.
Wala.